Good morning, students. Today, 11th of November 2020. As in our previous class, we had start our introduction of chapter number 9, the bond of love. The bond of love. This story is composed by Kenneth Anderson. As I told you, that he is actually an Indian fellow. He is an Indian citizenship, but he wrote many books in British language, so he is considered as a British writer. He was born in Bangalore, okay, and also died in the same place. But he wrote many books, a lot, and in his books, he tried to, in his book, he shows many type of relationship between human being and animals. And also at the same time, in his story, he also gives some importance to the nature also. Okay. So today in our topic, lesson number 9, the bond of love. As he has written, here we can't imagine our love and friendship between an animal and a human being. But in this story, it proves that there must be a strong bond between a human being and an animal. So let us start our class. So before we proceed to the story, we can just imagine, is there the relationship and love between human being and an animal is possible? Here in this story, the author gave a fascinating account of an orphaned sloth bear. Sloth bear is a means the bear who walks very slow. सुस्त चाल वाली रीच, यहाँ बेयर रीच है, ठीक है ना, हिंदी में इसे रीच बोलते हैं. बहुत सुस्त चाल, उसकी बहुत धीमी गति की चाल. So this is an fascinating here. The writer give a fascinating account of an orphaned sloth bear that was rescued, that was protected by the author. Sloth bear actually inhabited in the forest areas, including where it is the tropical rainforest of India and grasslands of the elevation. Sloth bear have very shaggy hair, okay, very shaggy hair and a long muzzles. Using their claws, they help to dig the ground also. They can use their lips to form a tube which can go deep into ground. They just form they can use their lips to into the ground and into hard to reach areas like dead trees for their food. Their main food is termites. You can hear them suck from their food from several feet away. Now let's start. Here it is short introduction about sloth bear. Only sloth bear it is given. What does it like to have eat? How it try to make search the prey like that. So let's start. We'll start the story. Point number 1. I will begin with Bruno. The name of the sloth bear is Bruno. My wife's pet sloth bear. I got him for her by accident. Means the author here, he just got this sloth bear accidentally. 2 years ago, what happened? We were passing through a sugarcane field near Mysore. So here the author described there. 2 years back, what happened? The author and maybe his wife also were there. They were passing through the sugarcane field near the Mysore region. 2 साल पहले author और उनकी family वो लोग शुगर केन गन्ने के खेत से होके जा रहे थे near Mysore. People were driving away the wild pigs from the fields by shooting at them. People were driving just because pigs are there also In the field, the pigs are roaming here and there. So they were just moving here and there. People were shooting at them. Some were also shoot, some were also hunted, and some escaped. कुछ का तो वो शूट कर देते थे, लेकिन कुछ पिग्स बच के निकल जाते थे. We thought everything was over when suddenly a black sloth came out panting in the hot sun. Suddenly, what happened? A black sloth. It was just came in front of it, suddenly came out panting in the hot sun. Panting means here breathing heavily. Sloth bear लंबी लंबी सांस ले रहा था. He was just came in front of the vehicle. गाड़ी के सामने आ गया. Point number 2. Now I will shoot a sloth bear. Want only, but want only means for no good reason. Now I will not shoot a sloth bear want only, but unfortunately for the poor beast, one of my companions did not feel that way about it and promptly shoot the bear on the spot. Here the feeling of author is described that he is not at all interested to shoot that bear or any kind of animal. But his companion, here it is companion is written, we can say that the family members are not there with him. So the other friends and other colleagues may be there with him, the authors along with him. So the other companions, they did not have that feeling that the author had. They want to shoot that bear. As we watched, point number 3, as we watched the fallen animal, we were surprised to see that the black fur on its back moved and left the prostrate body. Prostrate means lying on the ground facing downwards. So when they shoot the black sloth bear, it just got fall down, and they were very much surprised to see that the black fur, okay, black hair of its on its back portion moved and left that body. Okay, then we saw it was, page turn, it was a baby bear. It was a baby bear that had been riding on the mother's back and the sudden shot had killed her. जब शूट किया गया तो क्या हुआ कि एकदम से ऐसे लगा कि इस बियर से कुछ चीज एक अलग हट के गिरी, ऐसे लगा उसका ब्लैक फर ही अलग हो गया. But that is not there. It was the baby bear who sat on the back of that bear, sloth bear. वो baby bear थी जो उसके पीछे थी. वो जैसे ही गन की आवाज सुनी, वो तुरंत उस तरफ स्लाइड होके गिर पड़ी. The little creature ran around its prostrate parent, making a pitiful noise. The little baby bear was just become alone, and it just moved around its parent's body. Okay, parent's body, making a very pitiful noise. Very what we can say, बहुत ऐसी harsh noise से बोलने लगे कि मतलब दुख प्रकट करने लगी. Full of pity, इतना दयापूर्ण आ रहा था उससे. Now we proceed to point number 4. I ran up to it to attempt a capture. Immediately, the author, what did he do? He just tried to run up it, attempt to see that what happened with that baby bear. It scooted into the sugarcane field. It ran away from the sugarcane to try to save himself. अपने आप को बचाने के लिए वो कहाँ चलेगा बेबी बियर? वो sugarcane field के अंदर एंटर करेगा. Following it with my companions, I was at last able to grab it by the scruff of its neck when it snapped and tried to scratch me with its long hooked claws. So at last, the author and his companions, they were able to grab, capture, उसको पकड़ लिया उसी फील्ड में, और उसे scruff its neck, okay, back to the neck, just उसके गर्दन की तरफ से पकड़ा, back to the neck, while it snapped, while while the baby bear tried to bite. Okay, वो बाइट करना चाहता था अपनी हुक्ड क्लॉज, लॉन्ग और हुक्ड क्लॉज से उसने अटैक करने की कोशिश की ऑथर और उसके कंपेनियंस के, कलीग्स के ऊपर. Understood? Now we proceed to point number 5. We put it in on my gunny bags. Gunny bags, you know, sack को बोलते हैं, बोरी, ठीक है ना, बोरी, sack. We put it on my gunny bags we had brought when I got back to Bangalore. I duly presented it to my wife. She was delighted. So, an idea came to author's mind that he put it that baby bear into his gunny bag or sack and want to present it in front of his wife. She at once put a colored ribbon around his neck, and after discovering the cub was a boy, male bear. It was a male baby bear, right? So they discovered that the cub was the boy one, and she christened it Bruno. Christian means उसका नेम, नामकरण जिसे बोलते हैं, हम लोग नामकरण रखते हैं, ऐसे ही उन लोगों ने उसका नाम क्या रखा, ब्रूनो रखा. So the boy was also delighted to see. उन्होंने बोला कि बहुत अच्छा है, baby bear है, it will not harm anyone like that. What will be happen later on? They will think about it, but right now they were very much delighted to see that baby bear. Bruno, point number 6. Bruno soon took to drinking milk from a bottle because the baby animals also felt very difficulty by sucking milk. बेबी एनिमल्स को भी दूध पीने में बहुत मुश्किल होती है, कोई सा भी एनिमल क्यों ना हो, उन्हें बहुत मुश्किल होता है. इसलिए जब हम उसे पालते हैं तो हम उसे बोतल से ही उसे फीड करते हैं या फिर स्पून से उसे फीड करते हैं. सो हियर इन आवर केस द बेबी बेयर वाज आल्सो फीडिंग बाय दैट फ्रॉम ए बॉटल से फीड किया गया. It was but a step further, and within a very few days, he started eating and drinking everything else. So gradually, slowly, he learned how to eat, drink, and he started eating. And everything is the right word. For he ate porridge. वो porridge करता था, porridge water और milk. Okay. इनको ऐसे अच्छा लगता है खाना, दलिया टाइप में जैसे होता है ना, उन्हें ये खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. दलिया टाइप का फूड होता है, बॉईल करके इसके बनाए जाते हैं, वाटर और मिल्क में ऐड कर दिया जाता है. तो बेयर को पॉरिज उनका बहुत फेवरेट फूड होता है. अगर जब भी उसको उनको दिया जाता है, उन्हें पेट के रूप में पाला जाता है, तो वी यूज्ड टू गिव पॉरिज, है ना. जैसे some made by boiling cereals and add water or milk. So here the Bruno, he used to eat porridge made from any ingredients or vegetables, fruit nuts, meat, curry, and rice, regardless of condiments and chilies. He also liked bread, eggs, chocolates, sweets, pudding, ice cream, and etc. Chocolates, sweets, pudding. As for the drink, and these are all the eatable things that he used to eat. Now we come to the drink, juice, like that. As for the drinking part, he liked milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, aerated water. Okay, so he liked all this. Aerated means here soda water. सोडा वाटर, यहाँ इसका मतलब होता है सोडा वाटर, ठीक है. सो ही लाइक्स टू ड्रिंक milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, soda water, buttermilk, beer, alcohol, liquor, and in fact, any kind of liquid he liked. It all went down with relish. It all went down with relish. So in this way, he enjoyed his all meals, all the meals. He drank all kind of liqueur, everything he likes. Whatever the author and his wife tried to serve him, he just, without any hesitation, he drank and eat everything. Now we proceed to point number 7. The bear became very attached to our 2 Alsatian dogs and to all the children of the tenants living in our bungalow. So the bear was very much attached with 2 Alsatian dogs. So it suggests that the author is very much fond of pets, keeping pets. So he must have dogs and cats maybe there. So the Bruno likes to have the company of 2 Alsatian dogs. Along with that, the children who were the tenants, उनके किराएदार, ये बच्चे जो थे उनके साथ भी ये बेयर बहुत खेलता था. उसे एल्सेशियन डॉग्स के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा लगता था और साथ ही उसे उन बच्चों के साथ भी खेलना अच्छा लगता था. He was left quite free in his younger days and spent his time in playing, running into the kitchen and going to sleep in our bed. So they were just playing, moving here and there, running, playing from kitchen to bed like that. So they enjoyed all this thing along with the bear. Point number 8. One day, an accident befell him. One day, what happened? An accident took place, right? I put down poison named barium carbonate to kill the rats and mice that had got into my library. So the author put the poison named barium carbonate. He just put it in order to kill the rats and mice that was there in his library. Bruno entered the library and as he opened it, he ate some of the poison. उसे जो चीज मिलती थी, liquid मिलता था, he just doesn't know this is medicine or this is a poison. He doesn't know, so he just take out and drink it. He ate some of the poison. Paralysis set in the extent that he could not stand on his feet. Paralysis का हल्का सा अटैक उसको आ गया after inhaling that poison. So, but he dragged himself on the stumps to my wife, who called me. I guessed what had happened. Immediately, the wife called him. Something is there, something is happening is there with the Bruno. And off I rushed in the car to the veterinary doctor. Right? Immediately, the author took Bruno to the veterinary doctor. A case of poisoning. Tambien, barium carbonate, what to do? तुरंत बता दिया क्या क्या रीजन. He drank barium carbonate. What to do? Immediately do the action doctor को बताया. तुरंत आप बता देते हैं क्या प्रॉब्लम. अगर आपने कोई जाना पा रहा है उसे क्या प्रॉब्लम आपको मालूम पड़ गई तो तुरंत वेटरनरी डॉक्टर को आप पहले बता देंगे तो इमीडिएट उसका ट्रीटमेंट शुरू हो जाता है. ठीक है. So here the author also have described all that things and proceed to the point number 9. Out came his medical books and a feverish reference to index began. What poison did you say, sir? The veterinary doctor asked. What poison did you say? Barium carbonate. Ah, yes. Barium salt. Ah, barium carbonate. Symptoms paralysis. Yes. After inhaling that carbonate, symptoms should be there of the paralysis. Treatment, injections of. Just a minute, sir. I will bring my syringe and the medicine. The doctor said that I will bring syringe and medicine. A dash back to the car. Bruno still plundering about on his stumps, but clearly weakening rapidly. Some vomiting also there. Heavy breathing with heavy flanks and gaping mouth. The author to take instant initiative. ऑथर ने बिल्कुल तुरंत इनिशिएटिव लिया. वो बहुत बॉदर हो गया उसके बेयर को इस कंडीशन में देखकर समझ में नहीं आया था क्या हुआ होगा उससे. चिंता होने लगी थी उसको. तुरंत उसने कहा जो भी उसने देखा कि इसकी ब्रीथिंग बिल्कुल हैवी ब्रीथिंग गहरी गहरी सांस लेने लग गया और मुंह से झाग या कुछ इस तरह से आने भी लगे. तो देख के ऑथर को थोड़ी घबराहट हो गई कहीं बेयर को कुछ ना हो जाए. पॉइंट नंबर 10. Holding him, everybody, in goes the hypodermic. Hypodermics, it is a long needle used to give an injection under the skin, right? So hold him, everybody is in goes the hypodermic. Bruno squeals 10 degrees cc of the antidote enter his symptoms without a dropping being wasted. So 10 minutes later, condition unchanged. After 10 minutes, so the doctor give the inject him, and after 10 minutes, everything became later condition unchanged. Another then they put 10 cc injected. 10 minutes later, then now breathing less stress, noisy breathing start. Bruno can move now his arms and legs a little, although, but he cannot stand properly. थोड़ा movement हुआ body का, body parts का, but खड़ा नहीं हो पाया. 30 minutes later, Bruno gets up and has a great fit. 30 minutes बाद खुद खड़ा हो with a strong, energetic one. He looks at us disdainfully, as much as to say, "What's barium carbonate to a big black bear like me?" Bruno is still eating. He looks at वो देने लग गया सब. Nervousness, tension is there. Tension is there that it also tension in there, which also shows that the author is very much worried about it, right? So here in this we can say that if something mishappen with any animal in our family also, we also treat him like as our own child. हमारे भी घर में अगर हम कोई भी जानवर या बर्ड पालते हैं तो उसको अगर कुछ भी थोड़ा सा दर्द होता है या कुछ भी तकलीफ होती है तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमें तकलीफ हुई, because we treat him as our own child, isn't it? So today we have explained point number 1 to 10. Okay, I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be clear to you, isn't it?